Hello everyone. Today we will go through the factory reset steps for not one but two of our ScanAvenger barcode scanners, and more precisely I'm referring to the SA3600, which is our 1D handled barcode scanner with a smart stand included, and the SA3500, which is more or less the same model with very small differences. The main difference being that this model doesn't have the smart stand included in the package. So this is a very simple process, and this tutorial only applies for the wireless connections, and it will only take a couple of minutes to reset the scanner, as you will mainly have to go through a sequence of barcodes that you will have to scan directly from the screen. So the first step in resetting the scanner to factory default settings is removing this USB wireless dongle from the USB port on your computer. And in case you are using the SA3600, you might want to check the back of your smart stand and remove the dongle from this USB port. What's amazing about the ScanAvenger barcode scanners is that you can scan barcodes directly from the screen without having to print them, so you can scan the following sequence of barcodes directly from this video. Once you are done with scanning all the barcodes, you will notice that the blue light from the back of the scanner will start flashing, which means that the scanner is no longer paired or connected to your device. And you will then simply have to plug the USB dongle back into the USB port on your device. And you will notice how the light then changes into a solid blue, which means that the devices are now paired. And you can easily test this by opening a notepad or a Word document as I just did and scanning any barcode. And now, as you can see, the scanner is working without any issues. In case you require further assistance from us, or you need a copy of the factory reset process, simply send us an email to helpdesk@scanavenger.com, and our support team that operates 24/7 will reply back to you shortly. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you all a great day.